Nancy doesn't exactly have that new car smell, unless all new cars reek of despotic rot. And as the most powerful woman in Washington, she is ripe for a good roasting. Take it away, Nancy.
I understand, Miss Speaker-elect-to-be, that you were just in Hawaii.
Sure, yeah. Well, you know, Pete, a lot of people are upset that I took such a lavish vacation, but I'll tell you, my suite was only $5,000 a night. And you know what I call that, Pete? Crumbs. I call it crumbs. A lot of people think that I'm out of touch. So I came up with a little game to show you how in touch I am with the regular little stinky dirt people.
That's right. Not everyone was enamored with my take on the high priestess. One Twitter user wrote, "I'm Republican, but find your impression of Nancy Pelosi to be horribly disrespectful. And by the way, she does not have a Southern accent or a lisp." Huh. No. Disgusted news outlets sniffed their disapproval and that somehow the impression was sexist. Implying women are too weak to take a joke is implicitly sexist and ridiculous. Washington is nothing if not an orchard of absurdities, and poking fun at power brokers is neither sex blind nor for the faint of heart. I have nothing wrong with comics and writers who poke fun at the president as long as they're funny. When it's the same retread jokes with predictable punchlines, that's when it's offensive. Pulling punches because someone happens to be a woman, well, that's disgusting. And I'm pretty sure Nancy's hide is thick enough to take some incoming arrows from the few who are brave and giggly enough to paint her with her true colors. Lock it up and get over the vapors, hypocrites, and learn to take a joke. And that's the memo.